Women political leaders under the Embrace outfit have proposed for an expanded presidency and executive to include the president, deputy president, prime minister and 2 deputy prime ministers. This is part of the proposals they made to the Building Bridges Initiative task force that has been collecting views from Kenyans for a referendum vote.
The women from all walks of life, led by various political leaders, marched to KICC from Parliament buildings to present their submissions to the Building Bridges Initiative.
Solidarity! Solidarity!
Their proposals were anchored on inclusivity in governance, the Big Four agenda, devolution, fighting corruption, and women participation in peace and security. They have proposed for gender equality in the expanded executive to include a president, deputy president, prime minister and 2 deputy prime ministers.
The opposite gender rule shall be applied in the expanded presidency with the 2 seats ring-fenced for women. In actual fact here, although we have said 2 seats, we're just saying actually that, since independence, the 2 top seats have been going to men, so that 3 that should be now put in the constitution should actually go to women.
The women want gender equality in the appointment of cabinet secretaries and permanent secretaries, envoys and other public officers. The leaders emphasized the need for full implementation of the 2/3 gender rule to protect the gains of women, while urging Parliament to enact regulations to prevent leaders from engaging in nepotism. On graft matters, the leaders recommended that corruption-related offences should not be bailable and that the Office of the Auditor General should be strengthened to even audit ongoing projects.
We apply the 50-50 gender rule in all public service recruitment and even in the military service.
On universal health care, the political leaders suggested the creation of a National Health Service Commission, similar to the Judicial Service Commission or the Teachers Service Commission, which will be mandated to carry out trainings on gender health issues.
The issue of cancer, the government must take keen interest on the same and ensure that NHIF also covers for the entire cancer treatment. At the same time, is a reduction of taxes on health equipment and on the medication that also comes along within the health sector.
Team Embrace has also proposed the increase of sex age consent from the current 18 years to 21 years.